Hi guys, so today we are making butter cookies. Here are the ingredients that will be needed for the butter cookies. We start by mixing our butter and our sugar together. Then you add in your flour and your corn flour mix until it combines and forms a dough. Then you add in your vanilla extract. Using a cling film, we wrap our dough and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Then you roll out your dough. Now I'm using cling film to cover my dough. If you have a parchment paper, you can also use a parchment paper. So you roll out your dough and cut out into shapes just as I am doing in the video. Using my fork, I made some indentations on my cookies. Then I baked for 25 minutes. You allow to cool and you can serve with a glass of milk or any cold drink of your choice. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.